Hi there, I'm Dr. Arthur Cummings, and I want to share this video with you that is designed to help you make the right choice in terms of the lens you're going to choose for your cataract or your custom lens replacement surgery. There are three main categories of lenses. The first one is a monofocal or a monofocal plus lens, and these are designed to give you the highest possible quality of vision, but at a fixed distance. So they don't provide range, they just provide focus at a fixed distance. The second group of lenses are called IROF, or increased range of focus. And as the name suggests, they give you more than a monofocal. They give you distance plus a little bit more. And the third category is full range of focus lenses. And these provide or are designed to provide the entire range of focus, but they cost you something in terms of the quality of vision. We'll discuss this in more detail now. So learning more about these lenses, this phrase, there is no free lunch in optics, is very helpful. And all it means is you can't get everything from one lens. So if you go with a monofocal lens, which is designed to give you the highest quality, it gives you the smallest range. In this case, you only have distance vision. You need glasses for intermediate and near, but the quality is very high. If you use an IROF lens, an increased range of focus lens, you now increase the range to distance and intermediate. You still need glasses for reading, but you've paid a very small price in terms of quality of vision. It's not quite as sharp as the monofocal, but it's still very good. You'll still get 20/20. And if you now look at the full range of focus lens, this is made up of multiple rings. And some of these rings have constructive interference. So you'll end up seeing well for distance, well for intermediate, and well for near. So you have the full range of vision, but the destructive interference creates a little bit of blur circle, especially at night, or in fact only at night. So this is the price you pay for having the full range. Your night vision isn't quite as good as what it would be with a monofocal lens. Let's look at how we can use these lenses now that you understand them better. So if we put into each eye a monofocal lens for distance, you'll end up with good distance vision, but you need glasses for reading and intermediate. If we do a blended vision with distance in the one eye and intermediate in the other, you'll end up with glasses for reading. If you do blended vision with distance in the one eye and reading in the other, you now need glasses for intermediate. If you use an IROF lens with both eyes targeting distance, you'll end up seeing distance and intermediate, but you need glasses for reading. And if you use an IROF lens where one eye is targeting distance and the other eye is targeting intermediate, you'll end up with a very good range of vision where you may need glasses for small print on occasion for near vision. And if you put in the full range of focus lens, you'll end up with a very good range of vision, but you may land up with a little bit of glare and halos at night. Now, custom match is a very innovative approach where you first place in the non-dominant eye a full range of focus lens, and then 1 week later you reassess. 90% of people love the lens, are not disturbed whatsoever by the halos that they don't have, and hence want the same lens in the other eye. So both eyes now have a full range of focus lens with a full range of focus, and they can function everywhere. For the 10% who are disturbed by the glare and halos at night in the non-dominant eye, they then get in the dominant eye an IROF lens. So now both eyes can see far, both eyes can see intermediate. You can still read with a full range of focus lens giving you very good reading, and the increased range of focus lens adding to that, and you now have a very functional range of vision, and you can easily drive at night with no glare and halos, given that the dominant eye does not have glare and halos. So just to remind you, if you make both eyes 0, you need glasses for intermediate and near. If you go for 0 - 1 blended vision, you need glasses for reading. If you go for 0 - 2 blended vision, you need glasses for intermediate. If you do the IROF lens with both eyes targeting distance, you need glasses for reading. If you do the IROF lens and there are one eye for zero, one eye for intermediate, then on occasion you may need glasses for small print and in low light for near. And if you have custom match or full range of focus lens in each eye, you may still on occasion need glasses in specific situations. The idea or the goal is to get you out of glasses. It's not always achieved for everything, but it's certainly going to make you very independent of glasses for most things. All of these lenses come in toric versions, and a toric IOL is a lens that corrects astigmatism. And astigmatism is where the shape of the eye is a bit rugby ball shaped. And if you correct astigmatism, you improve the focus, you improve the vision. It also reduces the chances of requiring glasses afterwards. There is an additional cost for toric IOLs when using monofocals or blended vision, but there is no additional cost for increased range of focus or full range of focus IOLs in the toric version. So even though our aim is to get you out of glasses with one of the different options, sometimes glasses are still required. And we're going to share with you our experience of how often this is based on the lens choice and what the reason would be. So if you have a full range of focus IOL in both eyes, the chance of you needing glasses afterwards is in the 1 to 2% range, and this would normally be for small print in low light. If you have the custom match approach with one eye full range of focus, one eye increased range of focus, the odds of needing glasses is around about 3%, and it's typically for small print on occasion. If you have an increased range of focus lens in both eyes, so now you have less glare inhalers at night potentially, the chances of needing glasses is 5 to 7%, and this would be again for small print on occasion. And if you have blended vision with monofocal IOLs, the chances of needing glasses afterwards for anything are 8 to 10%, and this is typically for driving at night or for computer use. So, our goal is to achieve spectacle independence, but sometimes you will still need help for small print, low light, night driving, etc. with the use of glasses. Neuroadaptation to the optics of blended vision or these advanced technology lenses can take time, and it differs from person to person. Just be patient, just let it happen, and for most it's going to happen very successfully. And this period can last a few weeks to 6 months to adapt and settle post-operatively. So my final thoughts are, I hope that this has helped you make the right decision in terms of your lens choice, and I wish you well on this quest to visual freedom.